Well, hello, good friends. Welcome back to More with Marquita. I have a quick question for you. Are you tired of boring flower arrangements? Even more, are you tired of expensive home decor artificial arrangements that can range from $20 to over $600? If these questions are true for you, I have a solution for you. First, stop by your local Dollar General. They have home decor products for 50% off, sometimes buy one, get one free. I even found this basket in Better Home and Gardens, y'all, and that makes it even more awesome. Next is a little hack I learned from what my mom calls the TikTok. You want to get some Christmas wrapping tape or transparent tape and make a tape grid. I did 4 for my length and 4 for my width. The trick to making ugly Dollar Tree flowers look pretty is you want to make them look as full as you can. So I just push the leaves up closer to the flower. I'm going to cut my flowers the length of the wicker basket. Yes, I'm on the floor using garden loppers because I couldn't find my wire cutter. Final step, you want to place a sprig in each hole of the grid, alternating between the flowers and the greenery of different sorts. And that's pretty much it. It's that simple, and these are so beautiful. To me, it doesn't even look like they came from the Dollar Tree. And then I added a little bit of boxwood on the ends to make it look fuller and to add more greenery. And this is the final look. I want to thank you so much for your love and support. Thank you so much for watching my channel. I love you, and I'll see you in the next one.